Greetings, Cascade editors. Today we're exploring the Google Map row, a versatile feature that displays an interactive map through various layout styles. Before we begin, it's important to note that access to this feature is restricted to individuals who have undergone the necessary training, consultation, and approval from their Cascade Manager. Google Map rows are perfect for highlighting a location to assist your visitors in finding an office or event, and showcasing popular campus locations. Please note that this row exclusively accepts Google Maps location embed code. Ready to create your Google Map row? Follow these steps. First, select the appropriate storage folder for your rows. If you don't have one, create a new storage folder titled _rows to keep things tidy and organized. From the top menu, navigate to the pink plus sign labeled Add Content. Select the appropriate folder, then select Rows, and finally choose Google Map. If you do not see rows available in your asset factory, contact your Cascade Manager. The page name and title are required fields. Provide a page name that serves as your row's file name in Cascade. Make it meaningful to help you and other editors locate it. Also, enter a title that will act as a section header for screen readers and enhance accessibility. If Show Title is unchecked, the title is only used by screen readers and is not visually displayed. If checked, the title prominently displays at the top of the text side of the row. Please note that the edge-to-edge layout does not visually display the title, regardless of this setting. The row theme is a required field. Select a theme to coordinate colors within the row. Elements within the row will be color coordinated and optimized for design and accessibility. When placing the row on a page, the theme can be customized for that page. Select one of the available layout options. Feature, Wide Feature, 50/50, 50/50 Large, or Edge to Edge. You can edit the row at any time to switch to a different layout. Fill in the required embed code field using the Google Maps location embed code. Be sure to follow the provided steps to obtain the embed code from Google Maps. Search for the location on Google Maps. Select Share on the location's information panel. Select the Embed a Map tab. Select Copy HTML to copy the embed code to your clipboard. Note, the embed size in Google Maps has no impact on your embed row. This setting can be ignored. Paste the HTML code from your clipboard into the embed code field in Cascade. Note, if this method is updated by Google, the Cascade help pages will provide the latest method. Here's a breakdown of the available layout options. The first layout option presents the optional title and intro text above a large feature or larger wide feature Google Map embed with an optional link below. All elements are centered within the row. Intro text provides the option to add simple text below the title and above the embed. Text appears center justified and can include links, bold, and italics. Link text provides the option to include a link below the embed. Tip: the Google Map embed provides visitors a link to view the map on Google or get directions, so it is not necessary to use this field for that purpose. Use an internal link to link the text to an available Cascade asset. Use an external link to link the text to an asset not available within your Cascade site. An optional anchor is available for your internal or external link. No hash symbol required. To link to an anchor on the same page as the row, do not specify an internal or external link destination. New to anchors? Visit our help pages to learn how to create one. These are examples of the feature and wide feature layouts. In the second layout option, there are two side-by-side content areas of equal size, one presenting the Google Map embed as an inset map, 50/50, or as a large edge-to-edge element, 50/50 large. The other, a title, text, and linked button. The order of elements applies only to the desktop view of the row. Choose embed left or embed right. The text will appear on the opposite side of the row. The elements will always stack vertically on small devices with the embed above the text. The text is a required field. Enter text that appears below the title, if displayed, and above the optional button. Provide the button text to appear on the button. Tip: the length of the text determines the size of the button. Keep it short for an optimal appearance across devices. Similar to the previous layout option, the internal link, external link, and anchor features are available for the 50/50 and 50/50 large options. These are examples of the 50/50 and 50/50 large layouts. The third layout option provides a large format presentation that extends the full width of the browser window for a Google Map embed. No title, text, or additional links displayed. The row theme setting does not impact the appearance of this layout. This is an example of the edge-to-edge layout. If you need to include more than one Google Map row on a page, do not select embed layouts where edge-to-edge map content will be adjacent to other edge-to-edge map content. Keeping your content fresh is crucial. To update a Google Map row, edit and publish the row file. There is no need to publish the pages displaying the row. That concludes our journey through Google Map rows. Thanks for watching.